How do I change the battery on a Carrier Infinity Thermostat? I cannot find a place to open the thermostat and replace it. Unfortunately, I cannot find a manual that shows me how to do this.
All work to be done by licensed professional. We keep going until you have the information you need. I come and go. This is step 1. Hello, welcome to Just Answer. Only the programmable models need a backup battery. The non-programmable models do not have a battery. If you can get the full model number of the thermostat, I can be more specific. You will also know if you have to program that thermostat, or if you merely have to set the temperature you want it to control at. Let me know, we can go from there. Pull the thermostat off the base, they should be behind there. I don't remember that thermostat taking batteries, I believe it has a watch-style battery. Hello and welcome. Service Tech and Residential AC Systems. Located in EST time zone and here to help you with your needs. A true Infinity thermostat does not have battery backup, it is powered by 24 volts continuous. Is the model of your thermostat JustAnswer-Q&A?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.